Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. As some of you may know, a couple of weeks ago I spent 4 days over in Brittany playing music with the band I'm in. When I got home, I was obviously very tired, but I decided to catch up on a few emails I'd missed while I was away. I wrote one email to a friend of mine, just a short one, basically saying, just back from France, I'm a bit shattered, I'll try to write more soon. I then got a message the next day saying, oh no, I'm so sorry to hear about everything. What happened in France? And it was at this point I realised there'd been a bit of a misunderstanding, because shattered can mean extremely upset, usually if it's in the past simple or present simple passive. So you see things like the family was shattered by the news of their youngest son's suicide. However, it also means, more often I think actually, just really tired, exhausted. So when I came back from France, I was shattered because I'd had a busy few days. You might get to the end of a course if you're a teacher or a student and be so shattered that you sleep for 15 hours. Maybe you've just flown in from Tokyo overnight and you couldn't sleep on the flight. So now you're completely shattered. Or, like a lot of my friends in Ukraine, maybe you've spent the last couple of nights in an air raid shelter in a basement somewhere, not really being able to sleep because of all the attacks. So you're completely shattered. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use shattered